So I will go to events, move forward to events. This is when up arrow pressed. We've learned this as well. So this is when it touches, when touches block. When this sprite touches any other sprite, then happens. I will show you. But it takes a lot of time. It's simple that when this sprite touches the sun, we have to add another sprite. Like pretend that I have this tent as a sprite over here, and I am moving this sprite like with this arrow. So in this video this will be used as well. Next, at 3 seconds. At 3 seconds, at 4 seconds. Okay. Next, at this second, after 5 seconds, say this. After 4 seconds, say this. It is like that. When dash answer. When an answer is given. So this is the answer. So next is when all prompts answer. When they answer to it. Next is when this sprite is created. So next is behaviors. I've told you about behaviors. These are all the behaviors. You can add any of them: spinning left, spinning, swimming. I hope you understand these by just reading them. You can understand the behaviors. Sprite begins when you will create a behavior, but you will learn it in our upcoming video. So next is the loops. I told you about the loops as well. It is to repeat something. We will use them step by step. Let's get to variables. Variables, this is the block when we create a variable. I told you how to do it. Show variable as counter, or show variable as score, or any variable. So hide variable, the variable's name over here. Change the variable by 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. And this is also like this. You can attach it to anything and name it as your variable. Like your variable's name is rename. You can create a variable. You will create it and then it will appear. Next is the math. This is minus, plus, add, subtract, divide, all of these, square root and all. This one is the most used block in this, and we are going to use that a lot. And this is the most used block here in the logic, if. So these are the ifs, these are the conditions in the logic. The logic is all about conditions. Now that next is functions. Create a function. You know what function is: text, text, join text, show title, and all that. Say hello. All the text things are over here, present over here. And next is comments. If you add this over here, you add any comments. Okay, this is all comments. So we've learned all the blocks over here. So let's create a little simple story type game. So let's go to sprites. We want to turn it a bit. So I told you how to do that with the turn block. We will go down and this turn right 90 degrees. Change this to this point. Right 90 or maybe 10. Okay, no, I want this to change. Okay, I will do it to 20. Okay, that's good. Now it's it's standing upright straight. So now let's make him move. He will move. How will he move? Let's go to sprites. And go to events. Yes, and we will use the arrow keys. When up arrow pressed, I will duplicate again. Duplicate 4 times. Okay. Now let's put this to down, left and right. Now let's go to sprites, move down and take the move block and place it here and change this to the boy. Let's duplicate again and put it here, pixels towards the south. Let's duplicate it again and change this. Oh, let's change these to 50 pixels, or let them stay 10. Okay, now let's duplicate again and put it over here and change this to east and this to west. Let's run and see if it moves. So I have problem and change this to west, change this to east. Okay, now let's reset and run. Now this is it's moving right, like it has to move on the path, so we can do this. So now what do we want? We want diamonds on this path. So we will place the diamonds over here, like this, over here, or everywhere. The diamonds will be on the street, the diamond will be up here, everywhere. They will be randomly on the screen everywhere. Let's go scroll this down on the blocks over here and make some room for the other blocks. Now let's make the diamonds. Go to sprites, make 3 new sprites. Let's take it to 20 new sprites, and let's change this to the diamonds. We don't have any diamond, so let's go to costume and add costume and change. Let's see what do we have. Let's search. Okay, let's go to stickers. Let's take a little look over here. Do we have something? We do have a diamond over here. Okay, this is a diamond, and this you can take anything. You can even search for a diamond. Diamonds. These are the diamonds. So which one should I take? I can take this diamond. Looks perfect. Done. Let's go to code. Oops. Let's change this to the diamonds. The diamonds are very big. Let's go to sprites and set size to 50. Let's say then there's the diamonds and change their size to 10. Now there are a lot. This to 30. Now that's good. Now what do you want? Now let's go to loops. I want these diamonds to keep moving. Go to loops and repeat 10 times, and we'll go to sprites and sprites and set size. No, no, don't have. So let's just keep it like this and change this boy's size a little big. It's a little small. And let's change this to the boy, and the boy's size should be 100. No, that's too much. Let's change it to 180. 80. It's too much. 50. too much. 30. That's changed to 20. Now, oops. To 20. That's much better. Now we want what to happen when we want go to events when touches. When this boy touches the diamonds, it should get a point. Let's go to the where is it? Where is it? Yes. Well, we can go to functions, create a function, do something when Swiss diamond score point. Yes, go to function, touches diamond. No, we don't want this. Yes, we should make a score 1 point block. It's simple. Let's go to function, create a function. Score 1 point. Let's go to function. Score 1 point. Here we have the bug. Let's run. Or it will be a great use of variables here. Let's go to variables and create a variable, and its name should be diamond. Let's enter. This is here. So let's now change counter by 1 and changes to diamond by 1. Set. We can just go to sprites and go to words and go play sound. Play the sound. Correct. This should be the sounds. I will take this. Yeah. And here. Let's little bit reduce the. Let's change 20 to 10. And here. Set here. Here. Okay, this was all today. See you in the next video.